What's good, guys? So I was in the middle of making my detailed Share Factory Studio tutorial on the PlayStation 5, but I just had to stop. I had to because at this point I've seen just about every single angle where you can utilize this PlayStation 5 camera, and it is not being used to its fullest capacity. I would even consider it to be a failure, at least right now. That's why I decided to make this impromptu video to be the voice of the people out there that don't necessarily have a computer capture card setup to pair with their PlayStation 5. Maybe that's all they have is their PlayStation 5 and they're doing all their streaming and all their content creation on one device. I hope someone in the PlayStation 5 department at Sony is watching this video because this camera has a lot of potential and it can be better than what it is right now, because in my opinion, it ain't worth the $60 that they're asking for it. In the over 7 months that this PS5 has been out, we have gotten no software updates dedicated to the PlayStation 5 camera. What can the camera do today? Well, there's a cool feature in Share Factory where you can record a face cam commentary overlay, which to me, I feel like they're out of touch with this feature, but I'll get to that in just a minute. It can also be used as a face cam for live streams directly off of the console. Maybe to some of you guys out there, you might say, those features seem pretty fine, like, what's the problem? Is it because we can't plug in the camera to our computer to use it? No. You know, I'll give them a pass on that. I have 3 issues with this camera that I've discovered. For starters, you can't use this camera in regular gameplay recordings. All I'm saying here is at least give us the option in a feature, just a little toggle. It can be under the include chat audio and your microphone audio. Give us an option to where we can include our face cam in our video clips. Why is that not a feature? Sure, people can use their phones or a separate camera, but since you have a camera that integrates directly with the console, why not have a feature where you can have your face cam either recorded as a separate file or together overlaid on your gameplay, however how you set in your settings, as one solid video clip? To me, this seems like a very easy thing that they could add to the console because the feature already exists in the live stream section. As within here, you can actually set where you want your face cam to appear when you're streaming. But this is where my second problem comes into play. Wherever you set the face cam on your screen, that's where it's going to remain for your entire stream. You cannot hide it, which would be a beautiful feature. I think that that's something that they should just add. You know, they have the option to move the face cam or stop the face cam, but how about just hide the face cam so it doesn't block any parts of our screen while we're playing a game? Like that's gameplay that we're not seeing because our face is covering part of the screen, which, by the way, that just seems kind of funky to me while I'm playing. That would be similar to me playing off my OBS screen on the computer. I just don't want to see my face cam on the screen while I'm trying to pay attention to the gameplay. But anyways, it would be awesome to have that face cam feature for video recordings and just setting a hide option in case we don't want to see our face while we're trying to do a recording or a live stream. Now for the third problem I have with this PlayStation 5 camera, and this goes back to the Share Factory feature that I talked about. So, you know, I admit it's pretty cool. You can add a track and then you can actually record video and audio for a commentary overlay. But this is what gets me. I would say about 95% of the channels out there that just do an audio commentary over gameplay don't include their face cam. Most often, some do, but most often don't. This is just a weird feature because it just makes you think like we could just have our commentary naturally recorded as a face cam over the gameplay, which you can just edit together and make your cuts and export. What current Share Factory users have to do if they want to put their face cam over their gameplay is that they have to record their face cam on a separate camera or their mobile phone, put it on a USB device, and then import it into Share Factory, and then line up their reaction with the gameplay, and then make their edits, all before they can upload it. Transferring your data via USB is okay. I even do it myself from time to time using this iPhone flash drive, link description below if you're interested in it. It's very convenient, by the way. It lets me easily transfer files between my PS5, my phone, and my computer. But the problem is that this was something that we had to do on PS4. This is the next generation of consoles. Well, now it's the current generation, but I just believe that the hardware that's in the PS5 and incorporate it with this new PlayStation camera, you should be able to do a bit more with the software. Completely cutting out having to use separate cameras, USB devices, computers, just to get a face cam clip into Share Factory that you're gonna have to manually sync with your gameplay. To add to that, it would be cool if PlayStation had their own cloud application, so that way we could share videos and our screenshots between our phone and our computer just with ease. Just like how Google Drive works, but for PlayStation. That's all I really have to say about that. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I just believe we can make the PS5 a better version of itself for content creators. I know Discord is also coming to PlayStation very soon, so that's gonna be pretty exciting. Hopefully they integrate the camera in the Discord. Oh my God, if they don't, jeez, man. I won't know what to say at that point, but that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit it with a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.